Hey everyone, I'm Toby from the DJI Agriculture team, and in this video I'll explain how and when to use the two smaller hopper gates for the spreading system. Sometimes you'll want to have a low flow rate for more controlled and precise spreading. For example, compare with granular fertilizer spreading. Granular herbicide and seed spreading typically require a much lower flow rate. For this reason, we have two models of smaller hopper gate that you can switch to. Compared to the standard hopper gate model, these two have much smaller openings. Between the two, one is slightly bigger and one is slightly smaller. The bigger one is around 23 kilograms per hectare and is designed for seed spreading. The smaller one is around 8 kilograms per hectare and is designed for granular herbicide and pesticide spreading. First, you'll have to install the small hopper gate for the spreading system. Rotate this knob counterclockwise to unlock the spreading system from the tank. Rotate the spreading system and remove it from the tank. Pull out the R-type bolt. Rotate the winged washer and remove the gasket and spreading plate. Unclip the 3 fasteners, hold the button, and raise the spreading system out of the shell. Use a screwdriver to remove the screw on the side, then take off the flange, bearing bush, and the external circlip. Rotate and align the hopper gate, then remove it and install the small hopper gate. Rotate and make sure it's properly aligned. Adjust if necessary. Reassemble all the components and install the spreading system onto the drone. Return the circlip, the bearing bush, and the flange. Then secure them with the screw. Reinsert the spreading system into the base, making sure the clips are aligned. Reclip. Install the spreading plate, the gasket, the winged washer, and then the R-type bolt. Reinstall the spreading system onto the tank and rotate clockwise to secure it. Lastly, reinstall the spreading system onto the drone. Before we can start spreading, if it's a new granular material, we need to do a granular template calibration. Put the drone on a mat and fully load the tank with the material you want to spread. On the RC, go to Spreading System, click Tear Calibration, then click Materials Management, add the spreading material, select Hopper Outlet 2, click Start Calibration, and wait for it to complete. Please select this option for both of these two small hopper gates. Input a new material, and then you can use it in your field plan. We hope this introduction to the small hopper gate has been helpful. Thanks for watching.